Stone Drying Mat by Vabnir is a versatile and durable addition to your kitchen. Made of steel, this dish rack provides a sturdy solution for organizing your dishware, kitchen items, or toiletries. The product dimensions of 12.2 inches in diameter, 16.6 inches in width, and 4.7 inches in height offer ample space for drying various items. The black color of the dish rack adds a sleek touch to your countertop, complementing any kitchen decor. With a mounting type of countertop mount, it is easy to place and access when needed. Weighing 5.7 pounds, it strikes a balance between sturdy construction and practicality. One of the standout features of this dish rack is its sturdy design, which ensures stability while holding your items. The item is manufactured by Vabnir, a trusted brand known for quality household products. The ASIN is B0CJ55YGCS, and the item model number is Lino 1043. With an impressive customer rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars from 148 ratings,
Oversink Dish Drainer. Drying Rack is a top-notch kitchen accessory that combines functionality with a sleek design. Made from durable stainless steel, this product is built to last and can withstand a weight limit of up to 176 pounds, making it perfect for organizing your dishware efficiently. Measuring at 12.21 inches in diameter, 36.61 inches in width, and 21.26 inches in height, this dish rack provides ample space for drying your dishes. Its special feature of adjustable length ranging from 25.98 inches to 36.61 inches ensures a perfect fit over your sink, making it a space-saving solution for any kitchen. The simple installation process of the Vank Z Oversink Dish Drainer Drying Rack allows for quick setup without any hassle. The unique non-slip stand provides.
Capacity dish rack is a must-have addition to any kitchen. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this dish rack boasts durability and a sleek, modern design that complements any kitchen decor. With product dimensions of 14.96 inches in diameter, 20 inches in width, and 7 inches in height, this dish rack provides ample space for drying dishes, utensils, and even pots and pans. The gray color adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen, while the adjustable feature makes it versatile for various kitchen items. Designed for countertop mounting, this KitchenAid dish rack is both practical and space-saving. At just 6.6 pounds, it is lightweight yet sturdy with a weight limit of 25 pounds, providing excellent support for your dishes. The KitchenAid Large Capacity Dish Rack, manufactured by Lifetime Brands Inc., is a top performer with an impressive customer rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars from 19,841 ratings. It is a bestseller in the kitchen and dining.
Drying Rack in Sink by Jassaway is a practical and efficient solution for drying dishes in your kitchen. Made of high-quality stainless steel, this in-sink rack offers durability and rust resistance, ensuring long-term use. The compact dimensions of 15.5 DX 10.4 WX 4.70H make it suitable for various sink sizes while taking up minimal space on your countertop. The sleek silver color and countertop mounting type provide a modern look that complements any kitchen decor. Weighing only 2.29 pounds, 1.04 kilograms, this rack is lightweight yet sturdy enough to hold your dishes securely while they dry. One of the standout features of this product is its rust-resistant properties, making it a reliable choice for daily use. With an impressive customer rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars from 1,993 ratings, it is evident that customers appreciate the functionality and quality of the dish drying rack in Sink. Overall, the Jassaway Dish Drying Rack in Sink offers convenience.
Sink Dish Drying Rack by Livod is a versatile and durable kitchen accessory that is sure to enhance your dishwashing experience. Made of high-quality stainless steel, this dish drying rack is built to last and withstand daily use in the kitchen. With product dimensions of 11 inches in diameter, 37.6 inches in width, and 33.35 inches in height, this rack provides ample space for drying dishes, utensils, and cookware. The silver color adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor, making it a functional and stylish addition to any countertop. The rack's recommended uses include dish drainer, kitchen organizer, and utensil holder, offering a convenient storage solution for your kitchen essentials. It features a countertop mount design, allowing for easy access and organization while saving valuable counter space. One of the standout features of this dish drying rack is its adjustable design, which enables you to customize the rack to fit your specific needs. Width